Hi, myself Avanash. I come from Coimbatore, Tamilnadu. I have completed my automobile engineering back in 2017, and then for 5 years I have experience in automobile sector in a Japanese manufacturing industry. I've been wanting to equip myself with electrical and electronic knowledge. I got to know about Karigar through one of my friends, and then I visited it casually one day a couple of months back. So back then itself I decided to do a course 6 days in a week, and then I had two trainers. One is Rajesh sir and then the other one is Rahul sir. So our course was split into 2 days. First 2 days electrical, house wiring and other things, what is single phase, what is two phase, and then the basics of electricals was covered in the first 2 days. And then the third and fourth day was dedicated to electronics and electronic components, getting to know about electronic components, what is a transistor, what is a capacitor and other things. So what kind of components that basic electronic device has. Fifth and sixth day had power tools and electronics both together, and then in between we saw what is e-vehicles and then some basic concepts about e-bikes. I was able to get in hands-on experience from the electrical and electronic devices that they have dismantled the entire components and then set up both. So that gave me a little bit of excitement of doing it manually. So that is what Karigar is called, I think. So applied way of learning. So we learn it and then we apply. That was kind of interesting. And then I was excited to learn about the power tools today with Rahul sir, wherein we opened up power tools and then we were trying to figure out what is what and then refixing it. So that was very interesting. So basically, as I told, I have automobile background with very minimal electrical and electronic exposure. But when I came here, I was able to understand the basics of what is an electrical device, what is an electronic device, how it functions and other things. So I would recommend for anybody, whether they are professional or somebody who is doing their basic education like 9th, 10th. So if at all they are interested to learn or to know the basics, they can definitely enroll themselves in the Karigar program and then get to know about the components. So the initial courses, Rajesh sir took me through some of the basics and then cleared many of the doubts that arose for me. So it was kind of a casual discussion about how it works and the basic working principles of transformers, how step up transformer work, how step down transformer works. So these are certain principles that was discussed, and then I was very receptive for asking questions, and then that gave me that space to interact. So that was another major takeaway from Karigar.